Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I am going to be making a tutorial on how to make a, a calculator in TinyBit in the TinyBit website. So first we're gonna be going to the TinyBit website over here, and we're gonna be actually making this in in the website with our TinyBit with our TinyBit brain. So first, we're gonna be creating a new project, call it calculator. And after that, we're gonna be continuing. First, we're just gonna be deleting these two. Then, the very first step that we're gonna be doing is getting our variables. So first, we're gonna be getting the variable number 1, then getting another variable name number 2, and another variable called switch. So our variables here are gonna be functioning uh, as the as it shows here. So first we're gonna be adding a number in 1, then maybe switching to 2, then finally operating those two on what uh, what what calculation we want to do, like division, division, multiplication, and division and minus. So we're gonna be getting operator as our last variable here, and we're gonna be getting on start, and not on start. We're gonna be getting input and getting on a press. So we're gonna be adding up our numbers in our A and B buttons here, and then later A and B button over here. It's in the back of the brain if you haven't seen it before. It's very simple. If I have the brain, I don't have brain now. So we're gonna be getting our brain, our we're gonna be getting what's this? Oh, we're gonna be getting our if then here in logic, then getting going to logic, getting equals. Yes, I keep forgetting stuff. Okay, after that we're gonna be equaling this, then get show number here, and get the variable change is gonna be changed by 1, and we're gonna be showing the number from and change this number 1 variable to switch variable. So this just duplicate this and change this 1 to 1. So if we switch later, we're gonna be adding this on button press, not A this time but B. On the B button, we're gonna be switching to the next value of the number, which is number 2. So we're gonna be changing number value 1 to number 2, like this. This is very simple, of course. This is basically all the code for A, and we're gonna be continuing in B. After that, we are going to be getting we're going to be getting if then over here, and if get change. Now change the switch, so this is gonna be the switch button, of course, B, like this. Now we're gonna be getting clear screen, because we want to clear screen to make it understandable to whoever use this calculator. And then we're gonna be duplicating again. We're gonna be making uh, our A and B button. Oh yes, we're gonna be testing out something first. Not really, just showing you something, how this actually works. So we're gonna be getting show number and getting a plus. Going to math over here in basic, just get show number, then go to math, get whatever one with this one, plus minus equal the plus minus division and sum and duplication, and we're gonna be getting our plus here, just this one, and what number are we gonna be showing plus what. Well, it's gonna be the variable, uh whatever number is inside the variable, just like that. Put one inside and put another inside, and just like that we have our plus division, plus sign. This is gonna be simple, so we're gonna be adding 2 here, then changing to our second value, then this it doesn't clear screens for some reason, and getting our second value here, then pressing A and B, pressing pressing B to add up those two numbers, since it's pressed 0. So adding, you have to restart every time. Let's see if this works. Change second number, that plus, and it's 4. Ooh, it's done. You can see they added up both of these variables together to add up to 4, and that's basically it for our first variable here. Now we are going to be making our calculator or our microbit be able to actually calculate more than just plus and minus, which is what the A and B button is for. Oh no, I think I deleted. Okay, it's fine. Now let's continue. Let me see. Okay, now get our if then else, get n over here. Now get the variable op, and it's gonna be 1 over here. Get the change is gonna be op and change by 1, so this is gonna be 1. We're gonna be getting our LED, and this is gonna be plus. Our first operator is gonna be plus, just like this. Now just add clear, just add pause 100 millisecond, then clear screen, and else is gonna be our second operator, which is gonna be minus here, and we're gonna be changing this number for operators so to be 2. So if you change the number with A and B, it's gonna be changing between the adding up change to OP to 1, and if you press it again, it's gonna be adding up OP to 2, and so on and so forth until it goes around back. And it's simple, and it's very simple here. Now we are gonna be adding multiplication. Multiplication is very simple, so just make the icons here. You can actually make the icon out of everyone, but I'm going to make it like this. And our last is going to be making as what's the name, division, yes, or division sign over here like this. Look, if you want, you can make the pause even longer so you can see the icons even longer. Yeah, I'm just gonna set it to our 100 milliseconds here because it's enough. Let's duplicate it over here. Now we're gonna be changing if then else to be just if then. Now putting it inside of the else here. So we're gonna be also setting the OP or operator to be set to 1 again, and changing this to be yes. As you can see, it works like this. uh, this is basically the code here. And one more thing we need to do is add something to the A and B button, which is the part that where it reads if it's plus, minus, multiplication, division, and plus here. And it's gonna be very simple. So first we're gonna be getting if then getting equals here, and if our operator here is 2, which is the second value here, the number 2, it's gonna be adding them up as this any of this plus division, a calculator and stuff, basically the function of a calculator. Now getting if then, after we got an if then, we're gonna get equals again. Equals, now get get if or change operator here to be switch because it's switch not operator. Now operator is gonna be 1 right here like this. Now it's gonna be doing the math. Show number it's gonna be first. It's going to be just more the plus. It's gonna be just calculating just passing the numbers or adding the numbers. Now we're gonna be duplicating this. If you want, it's very simple. The code is simple to understand, and it's very simple, and it's very simple here. All you just are gonna do is duplicate and make sure the number for minus here is the same for the number here. It's you align them up as the same as in the A and B on button press, and if it's not, it's gonna be adding them differently. Make sure the icon is also the right icon. Now we can duplicate our just show number in else class. After 3, there's nothing else to add up, nothing else than 4, and 4 is just going back. So you're just gonna be putting this phone number and press like this and like this, and let's go full screen here. I've already made the code, so let's just try it out. It works. Now let's go full screen. If I press A, it adapts the numbers. Press B, this is the second variable. We're gonna be adding maybe 5 here. Change with A and B to whatever calculation you want to do. I'm gonna be maybe uh, uh, multiplying them, and press the B button to actually do the calculation here, and it says 20. So 4 times 4 times 5 is 20, so that's correct. Let's just do another calculation. Maybe 5 second variable 2 plus n equals 7, and it's that easy for our tiny bit to calculate in its LED lights. And basically that's all for my tutorial here for how to make a calculator with our microbit robot here, with our brain actually. And that's about it. Sorry for any mistakes I made. My name is Jennifer Sifatidian. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.